Hi, good morning in a rainy day again. I'd like to show you how the Ghost works again on one of these beautiful Mercedes GTR fitted by r2diagnostic. So once we get into the vehicle, keys in the pocket, because keyless entry. Try to start the vehicle without pin. It is starting, but when you try to select the gear, you just cut out, so you can't go anywhere. Then we have to do turn ignition off, put it back on. I have to put a secret pin, which is only made by customer. Confirmation will be through the handbrake in this case. And now you're ready to start. And select gear. So the arguments no doubt will go on ad infinitum about who said what to whom and exactly who knew what point. The point being seems to be, and this is going to be no doubt talked about in witnesses' questions, is there's a total of around 80 million. Seems to be working good.
60 million on the table to small businesses.
Protected vehicle for over £150,000. If you wish to have secure your vehicle the same way with the Ghost immobiliser system, you can contact us in the link below or call R2diagnostic on 075 11 900 953. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.